when we went to the hardware store, all we had to do was get some 1x4 pine. This is all this is pine. You can use that for sheetrock backing. See, I'm just going to hold it up there, and I measured it so the end of it sticks out a little bit on both sides. So I'll have to feel up there, see about where it goes, and that looks fine there. And the beauty of these little patches with the battery operated drills, I'm just using sheetrock screws. This is 1.25 inch coarse threaded sheetrock screws. I'm just going to hold the 1x4 down with my hand. And these screws, you don't really have to set them in as long as they're flush, because then we're going to put webbing tape over here. These, when they're underneath webbing tape, you can make them flush, okay? I just feel on it. As long as it's flush, I'm fine. I just hold it down and screw it up there. Doesn't take long to put backing up. Okay. Now I'm ready for this piece of sheetrock. We might as well put that in. I'm going to keep the camera rolling and see which way this piece goes. This is the same piece that came out, so I know it's got to fit in here some way. Wow. Of course it's the last way I fit it in there. That's usually how it is. Yeah. Now I know my board's going across that way. I'm just screwing it up to the 1x4s. And so before you put your sheetrock up, just look and make sure you know where the backing is. Okay. This is not rocket science. Anyone can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. Coarse threaded sheetrock screws. There we go. There's my patch. Now I'm ready for this one here. See, I measured it before, and I'm just going to take this and hold it up in there, see? Like that. And that's my backing. I don't have to get fancy. I don't have to use a 2x4. I don't have to use Douglas fir wood. Just use my pine. Hold it up there. And screw it in so it's flush. Okay. Put some pressure on the back side of this and hold it. Once you get it going, it should work. See, now I know this goes way down there, so I can put one here wherever. I don't have to go down any further. And this one just barely goes up in there, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to put a screw in that. I'm not really left-handed, but now if I want to get this done, one more here. I could run up a sheetrock screw. I've got a 2-inch screw here. See, this sheetrock only sticks down about a 1/2 inch. With this being pine, it might split, but I'm going to try it anyways. When you want to put them in at an angle, you start it out straight. Okay? Then you can angle it up. Like that. I'm going to hold on to that. See, it's slightly cracked, but it'll hold. It'll be fine. Okay, now my other piece of pine backing. Boy, I'm sweating. It's hot here. Actually, it rained. I'm still in Hawaii. and it rained, but it's kind of muggy. Now see, there's some electrical, oh, okay. There's some electrical wires here, and I figured I could fish this in, but there's a little bracket here that's nailed on. I'm gonna have to pull that off and move it over because they don't have enough room to get this in, I don't think. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, actually, I'm going to do it right there. I don't necessarily have to run it over tight to the wall. Okay, that's where it's going to live, right like that. I got it pushed up all the way, yep. Okay. Inch and a quarter is only going in. It's not going in to the back. Okay, I can't feel it at all. And that's good because there's wires on the back side. Okay. Now there's not much sheetrock hanging here. So you just have to be careful. And that one there, I think I'm going to use another 2-inch. Okay. I got my 2-incher here. I'm going to start it straight. Now I can angle it up. And that's going to go up and hit the top plate. Okay, there. I don't even have to put a screw there if I don't want. But if you feel like it, you can. You just have to hold your mouth just right. You don't want that to crack your edge of your sheetrock out. That makes you feel better. But I wouldn't have just put the 2 screws there. I didn't have enough of this going up because it was right there, you see. That's plenty strong for sheetrock backing. That's all you need. Man, see how easy this stuff is? I got the piece of sheetrock. Let's hold it up there. I know, see, I know if I put any screws here, I'm not going to hit anything, but I don't have to put screws there, do I? I don't have to do that at all. Look at that, it fits right there like a glove. Okay. It doesn't matter if you break the paper, but I try to make them flush because the tape is going to go across this. If these were right in the field, I'd have to use a different type of bit because then it dimples and it dimples into the sheetrock to allow sheetrock mud to go over that, but it doesn't break the paper. Once you break the paper with a screw, it doesn't have any holding power. Okay. And these, I don't have to dimple them in because the tape's going to cover it. You're not going to see that ever. Okay, there you go. He's being a sheetrock person now. That's how you do a quick and dirty on your patches. I know I wasn't going to show you the whole thing. This is just a quick video showing you what Joe's up to. And as I said before, if I can do it, you can do it. And I'm never going to show you anything on my channel that I think you can't do. And that includes installing a ceiling fan. If you want to know how to install the entire ceiling fan, go to my YouTube channel and check it out. I even show you how to put it in a 3-gang box. Once upon a time I had two switches and I needed to put a ceiling fan. And so I put a 3-gang box in. Here there was only a single gang box and I'm putting a 2-gang box. So I've got the light switch right here. The first one is going to be this one that was already here from before. And then the ceiling fan switch is going to be next to that. Yeah, I'll show you a few more videos of this particular project later, but for the time being, I'm glad these patches are done and this wire is up there where it belongs. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.